Hello and welcome to our instructional video on solving for the variable in the equation 5 times x minus 4 equals 6. In this video, we will walk you through step by step on how to solve for the variable x. So let's get started. To begin solving the equation 5x minus 4 equals 6, our objective is to isolate the variable x on one side of the equation. We start by removing the constant term on the same side as the variable. In this case, the constant term is minus 4. To eliminate minus 4 from the left side, we need to perform the opposite operation, which is addition. Therefore, we will add 4 to both sides of the equation to maintain equality. So, the equation 5x minus 4 equals 6 becomes 5x minus 4 plus 4 equals 6 plus 4. On the left side, minus 4 and plus 4 cancel each other out, resulting in just 5x. On the right side, 6 plus 4 equals 10. Thus, after this step, the equation simplifies to 5x equals 10. This completes step 1. We have altered the original equation by adding 4 to both sides in order to isolate the term with the variable x. Next, we need to isolate the variable x completely by getting rid of the coefficient, which is the number multiplied by x, on the left side of the equation. Currently, the equation is 5x equals 10. The coefficient of x is 5. To remove the 5, we divide both sides of the equation by 5. This is because division is the inverse operation of multiplication, and it will cancel out the 5 on the left side. So, we divide 5x by 5, and we also divide 10 by 5 to maintain equality. The equation 5x divided by 5 equals 10 divided by 5 simplifies to x equals 2. By isolating x, we have determined that x equals 2. This completes step 2. We have successfully isolated the variable x by dividing both sides of the equation by 5, resulting in x equals 2. Thus, x is solved, and the final answer is x equals 2. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.